How many of you have stared at your Raiz balance, picturing it as a magical escape fund for that unexpected bill, that dream holiday, or just, a rainy day? You're not alone. We've all been there. The question buzzing in your head, can I actually pull that money out? Let's dive deep into that question today. We're talking about your superannuation, that nest egg you're building for your retirement. Now, Raiz, like many other platforms, offers a superannuation product, and it's designed with long-term growth in mind. That's the key phrase, long-term. So, the question isn't just can I, but should I, and more importantly, what are the rules? Let's clear the air. Generally, accessing your superannuation before you reach what's called your preservation age is heavily restricted. The preservation age, by the way, depends on your date of birth. It's not a one-size-fits-all number. This restriction is in place to ensure you have financial security when you retire. Now, Raiz operates within these superannuation regulations. It's not a loophole, it's not a secret stash you can dip into whenever you fancy. So, the short answer is, no, you can't just withdraw your Raiz super like you would from a savings account. However, there are exceptions. Life, as we know, throws curveballs. There are specific circumstances under which you might be able to access your super early. These include severe financial hardship, compassionate grounds like medical expenses, or a terminal medical condition. Let's break down a couple of these. Severe financial hardship requires you to meet strict criteria. You'll need to demonstrate you can't meet reasonable and immediate family living expenses. This often involves receiving specific government benefits for a set period. It's not a simple process, and you'll need to provide substantial evidence. Compassionate grounds are another avenue, but again, they're tightly regulated. Think of needing funds for medical treatment for yourself or a dependent, or to modify your home for a severe disability. These are significant situations, and the process involves applications and approvals. It's crucial to remember that accessing your super early, even under these circumstances, can have long-term consequences. You're essentially reducing your retirement savings, potentially impacting your future financial security. This isn't a decision to be taken lightly. Now, here's where things get a little nuanced with Raiz specifically. Raiz offers different investment options, including superannuation. When you invest, your funds are subject to the rules governing superannuation. So, even if you see your balance growing, it's still locked away until you meet the access requirements. Many people are drawn to Raiz for its micro-investing approach and easy-to-use platform. And yes, it can be a great way to grow your super over time. But it's vital to understand the restrictions. If you're considering accessing your super early, whether it's through Raiz or any other provider, you should seek professional financial advice. A qualified financial advisor can assess your situation, explain the rules, and help you make informed decisions. Don't forget, the ATO, the Australian Taxation Office, is the governing body for superannuation. They have detailed information on their website about early access rules. If you're unsure, that's your first port of call. In summary, while you might see your Raiz super balance, it's not readily accessible. The rules are there for a reason, to protect your retirement. Early access is possible in specific circumstances, but it's a serious decision with long-term implications. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.